welcome back. Ni hao, dobrodošli nazad. Here Ninja Muhammad testing another EPOMAKER keyboard. And oh boy, what we have today, guys, the DynaTab 75X. Beautiful innovation in my hands. But before we jump into this review, let us show you the content of the box. Keyboard is nicely protected, one USB charging cable, manuals and tool. Keyboard itself will take breaths away. Unique and refreshing design we got used to from EPOMAKER's previous models. This one is a bit hefty, weighs around 1.1 kilo and around 34 cm in length. EPOMAKER has a slogan for this one, a symphony of design and technology. Love it. At the heart of the DynaTab 75X is a gasket structure, ensuring smooth and consistent key presses. Crafted from precision-grade polycarbonate, the PC positioning plate offers durability without adding bulk. Silicon plugs and porous sandwich foam enhance stability and cushioning, promising an unparalleled typing experience. It's a 75% parallel layout, hence 75X model name, and comes with the 84 keys. Easily switched between Bluetooth, wired and wireless interfaces, offering a versatility across devices. With multi-device synchronization and intuitive OS transitioning, the DynaTab 75X seamlessly adapts to your workflow. It is compatible with the Mac, Windows, iOS and Android. The 75X transcends platform boundaries. OS-tailored keycaps ensure a cohesive and elite typing experience across devices. So let's show you right now the typing test. Indulge in a spectrum of 16.8 million hues, customizable to match your unique style. With 540 distinct RGB dot matrix LEDs, you can create intricate patterns and dynamic GIF animations to elevate your typing experience. My favorite display mode is the typing mode. Whatever I type, it will be visible on this keyboard screen as well. What a cool addition, and I'm in love with it again and again. EPOMAKER, you killed it. Crafted for resilience, each keystroke delivers precision and durability, ensuring an enduring tactical experience. With programmable layers and exquisite keycap craftsmanship, the DynaTab 75X invites you to tailor your typing experience to your unique preferences. Whether you are coding, writing or gaming, choose from a range of tactical experiences with the meticulously designed switches, ensuring each keystroke feels just right. Designed with the human anatomy in mind, the DynaTab 75X eliminates fatigue with subtle curvature and ergonomic inclination, ensuring comfort during long typing sessions. Occupied with a rapid charge 2-amp quick charge chip and an impressive 10,000 mAh battery reserve, the DynaTab 75X ensures you stay powered up for extended periods. In conclusion, the EPOMAKER DynaTab 75X goes beyond mere functionality, offering a seamless blend of design, technology, innovation and comfort. Elevate your typing experience and embrace a new era of tactical excellence with the DynaTab 75X. Get one for yourself from the Kickstarter found page. Be one of the early birds and get it for only $190 American. Until our next keyboard review, keep typing in style. Masalam.